Thank you for watching this video. Bimser International is the leading global enterprise software publishing company since 1998. Bimser International is an independent software vendor partner of MYOB. Bimser International has more than 2,000 corporate clients and more than 3 million professional software users. To learn more, please visit the official website of Bimser International, www.bimserint.com. Now, I would like to introduce you more about Bimser International. Let's talk about software products of Bimser International for MYOB ecosystem and its clients. BEAM is an asset plant maintenance and energy management software. It is ready to help you manage your maintenance operations of equipment, machines and facilities in a digital environment. BEAM is integrated to MYOB Advanced ERP. It is a MYOB certified software product. BEAM means digital transformation of maintenance management. You can perform preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance and periodic maintenance operations digitally on BEAM, integrated with MYOB Advanced ERP software to reduce maintenance cost and to extend the lifetime of your equipment. Choose BEAM to reduce maintenance costs at your organization. BEAM has the latest software technology. It is reliable, scalable and ready for your maintenance management use. EBA is a low-code business process digitization and automation software. EBA has been in the market since 1998. It has workflow management, document management, OCR and intelligent capture capabilities. You can manage any business process digitally integrated to MYOB Advanced ERP software. You can use EBA on your laptop, desktop and mobile device. EBA is reliable, scalable, user-friendly and it has reputable references. EBA is ready to help you save time, increase productivity, increase efficiency and work remotely anywhere in this digital age.
QDMS is a quality, risk, audit, performance and compliance management software. QDMS has been in the market since 1998. It is ready for you to comply with various quality and compliance management systems. Digitally, you can comply with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 27001, ISO 22000, SQF, BRC, IATF, AS 9100, FDA GMP and many other quality and regulatory requirements. QDMS works on laptop, desktop and mobile devices. QDMS is a reliable and secure quality management software for MYOB Advanced Using Company. It has more than 30 modules for you to pick and choose, such as controlled quality document management, corrective action management, risk management, root cause analysis, audit management, training management, customer complaint module and many more. You can digitize and automate your quality management system on QDMS integrated with MYOB Advanced. It helps you save time, improve your quality business processes and work remotely in this digital age.
Thank you for watching this video. Bimser International is your partner to digitize and automate your business processes integrated to MYOB Advanced ERP software. Please remember to visit official website of Bimser International and YouTube channel of Bimser International at your earliest convenience. Thank you and have a great day.